Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious French soufflé. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of whole milk. Next, prepare your ramekins by generously buttering the insides and then coating them with a fine layer of sugar. This crucial step helps the soufflé rise beautifully. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. Now let's craft the heart of our soufflé, the base. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a roux. Gradually add 1 cup of warm milk, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens into a smooth bechamel. For a sweet soufflé, you'll add egg yolks and sugar to this base, creating a rich crème pâtissière. Stir in your chosen flavor, perhaps 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or melted chocolate, ensuring it's well combined. The secret to a lofty soufflé lies in perfectly whipped egg whites. Carefully separate 4 large egg whites from their yolks, making sure no trace of yolk enters the whites. Using a clean, dry bowl, whip the egg whites on medium-high speed until they become foamy. Gradually add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, continuing to whip until they form stiff, glossy peaks. The meringue should hold its shape firmly when the whisk is lifted. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold 1/3 of your whipped egg whites into the soufflé base to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining 2/3 of the meringue in 2 separate additions, preserving as much air as possible. Spoon the mixture into your prepared ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Bake immediately in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the soufflés are beautifully golden and dramatically puffed. Serve at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.